Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Derek. I'm a professional stained glass artist. If you don't know me, I make inspirational videos and tutorials all about stained glass for you. I set up my YouTube channel about 3 years ago to really pass on the skills that I've learned and to put them into the hands of the wider community. So it's fantastic when you, the creative community, reach out to me and let me know what you've been learning since discovering the channel. Recently I got an email from Brian to say, "Hey Derek, I've learned stained glass this year by watching your YouTubes. I now have 5 stained glass restoration projects lined up and I'm sending you through some pictures." Brian's actually got an Instagram page. Give him a follow. It is fantastic that he is now coming to stained glass. He's also shared with me that his day job is entirely different. He set up a software company, but he designed and built his own house when he was about 30 years of age, and he does woodworking, and he now wants to add stained glass to his new home. So he's using the channel and using the tutorials to learn how to make stained glass. That just makes my heart sing to get stories like that. So listen guys, send your stories to me in the comments below this video. Let me know how you discovered the channel, what you've learned, and what you're putting into practice to create your own stained glass windows. This is what it's all about. It's about inspiring each other. You guys inspire me, and I in turn make videos to inspire you and to help you along your journey. Stained glass, if you don't know, is on the list of endangered crafts here in the UK, so it's now under threat. If we don't pass on the skills to you guys, they may die, and we don't want that to happen, do we? No, of course we don't. Stained glass is still vibrant. There's still lots of creatives making stained glass. I really want to provide a resource for you guys so that you can dip in and out when you need and learn different topics. So for example, you may want to know about how to cut glass. I've got a series of videos on how to cut glass. If you want to know how to lead windows, what kind of soldering iron to use, I've got product reviews on different types of soldering irons, different types of glass grinders, that kind of thing. Also, there are inspirational videos about how to design stained glass windows, how to paint glass, different types of paints and enamels that you can use. There's a whole host of different videos, so I'd encourage you to have a look through my channel and see the different how-to tutorials that are available. I also have a podcast called The Creative Experience, where I interview fellow glass artists from all over the world and talk about their work, how they got into glass, what type of work that they're doing now, and what their 3 favorite projects are. Check it out. It makes for a great listen, especially if you're doing other work. You can have it on in the background by elevating the work of some really established beautiful glass artists working in the medium today. Hopefully that will inspire you to go out there and to create your own stained glass creations. There's loads of great content on my channel, so check it out, give it a follow, and also share it with others who you think might benefit from learning all about stained glass. Thanks again for all your support for this channel. Remember to tell me all your stories about your creative stained glass work, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.